The third thing that I do is I also invest in VUL and mutual funds, right? VUL naman is like a mutual fund na meron lang siyang life insurance, so it's just the same. Right, so let me just share with you a story. So, in our company, so I own a corporation as well. Meron akong 4 na partners, so 5 kami doon. Right, so yun yung driven marketing group. So, nag-usap kami, pinasentan ko sila as you know, some of you know that I'm in the financial planning industry. So diniscuss ko sa kanila the importance na meron kaming life insurance, 5 kaming mga may-ari. So we bought a VUL policy na ang priority is of course to have coverage. No, meron kaming life insurance coverage. No, I bought a 5-year to pay life insurance policy para something happens to any of us, at least may nabili yung company for us at may pupunta sa family, 'di ba? So it's taking care of our value. So natapos na yung 5 years to pay na yun, no? And then after 5 years, I asked them, we had a meeting and I asked them, what do you want? Do you want to buy, kasi may budget kami no, coming from the company, buys insurance for us. So sabi ko, do you want to buy another policy para madagdagan yung insurance nyo? Or you want na itong budget na to, idagdag natin, top up na lang natin dun sa policy natin so that the fund value will grow. Right? So they asked me my opinion and all. I talked to one of my partners na also really active in trading then. And we agreed that gusto namin pang retirement na siya. So hindi na rin kami mga bata. Well, I'm still 36 years old. Bata pa rin naman ako. Pero in 20 years, di ba? 56 na rin ako. No? So sabi na, nag-decide kami na okay, the budget that we allocate, let's say 100,000 a year for ourselves is for retirement na namin. So for the next 5, 10 years, hulog lang kami diretso. Right? So kung 10 years, may 1 million additional yon, depende pa sa pwedeng kitain. Kung 20 years, it's another 20 million. Right? And while accumulating, kaya ko rin siya nilagay sa VUL, while accumulating, anything happens, like ako personally, ang insurance ko dun is I think more than 2 million for that policy alone. Right? So, let's say naka 5 years pa lang and something happens, my family gets 2 million kagad immediately. So it's a 2-tiered plan, parang double-edged plan na habang nag-iipon ako, may mapupuntahan sa family ko in case something happens. If my account value eclipse my insurance, so wala na akong cost of insurance, para na lang din siyang mutual fund kasi it is invested, na-manage ng isang fund manager. So for me, that's how I use VUL. I also have some mutual funds, although not super active there. I have G-Invest, no, sa Gcash. I have some money there. Pag may extra ako, I just put there because I want to test different markets, different investment instruments. Right? So, yun, pag meron akong extra na naibabayad sa akin sa Gcash kaysa gastusin ko, ilalagay ko na lang doon, hindi ko na pinalalabas. Right? So, because Gcash is like mutual funds, may mga investments nila doon. I'm sure in the future maglalabas ng mga crypto, si Gcash and all. Pero yun, kasi pwedeng trading na yun. No? If you buy low and sell high, that's trading. It's different. For me, if it's retirement planning, it should be passive. Right? Lagay mo dyan and hopefully, tsaka mo na siya withdrawin. Kalimutan mo, doon mo na siya withdrawin during your retirement. Right? Iba pa yung plano mo for your needs right now. Iba dapat yung ini-invest mo doon. Iba pa rin for the education of the kids. I have separate VULs and other investment for the kids. Right? So, ito retirement. We're just talking about retirement.